tried to get some mustache wax. They couldn't find it anywhere. They said just relax, cause I got a piece of fur on the top of my lip. I got a lip coming and it's looking real hip, cause that's my mustache, baby. Can't you see it's the way I'll handle one nose neighbor and I'll twiddle away. It curls like ginger snap, it curls like Superman's throat. Wanna pick it up on the side of the road. It looks good on my face at a medium pace. At this rate I'll rival Tom Selleck's nuclear face. My mustache keeps coming, he's the nose's push broom. He had a 65 limit on a 232. Mr. Mustache waiting on the side of the nose. He lost all of control, he ain't got him a soul. He needs to take control and dust a trash stash and a 70s beat. He took the flavor that he savored, cooked it, dusted the meat. He had a furry disposition. Just to be fair, there was sometimes food stuffed right up in there. In there, Mr. Mustache, side of the road, he knew, took all control. He hasn't got him a soul.
Now let's see who the big Bow Wowser really is. Hollywood Tony B.